Welcome to Free Coding Academy's How Do Computer Work series, episode 5. And this video will cover how computer memory works. So first up, what is computer memory? Computer memory refers to hardware used to store data temporarily or permanently. Computer memory consists of several different types, each with its own speed, size, and role. So what are some types of computer memory? First, you can have registers, which are located inside the CPU, and they store immediate values for calculations, and they're very fast, but very limited in size. Next, you can have cache memory, and this is located inside or near the CPU, and it stores frequently accessed data and instructions, and it is divided into levels based on speed. Then you can have RAM, which is random access memory, and this is the main system memory which temporarily holds data and programs in use. And it's important to note that RAM is volatile, which means data is lost when the power is turned off. And this is types of computer memory continued. So you can have virtual memory, and so this uses part of the storage drive as an extension of RAM and is slower than physical RAM. And this is managed by the operating system. Next, storage refers to long-term memory and storing files, applications, and the operating system. And it's important to note that storage is non-volatile, and it retains data even when power is turned off. So storage is in the form of a solid-state drive, SSD, or a hard disk drive, HDD. Okay, so how does RAM work? When you launch a program, the CPU loads it from storage into RAM. RAM allows the CPU to quickly access the data it needs. RAM is made of memory cells that store bits using electrical charges. Each cell has a unique address which allows random access. The memory controller manages reading and writing operations. Next up, volatile and non-volatile memory. So memory can be classified by whether it retains data without power. Volatile refers to when data is stored quickly, but lost when power is turned off. And examples include RAM, cache, and registers. Non-volatile refers to when data is stored at a slower rate, but data is retained even when the power is turned off. And examples include SSDs and HDDs. So why does memory matter? More memory means more data can be accessed quickly, which means we can rely less on slower storage. A system with not enough RAM may use virtual memory, which makes it slower. Also, fast memory makes it easier to perform various tasks on the computer. So how does memory connect everything else? Well, when you open a program, the OS loads the program from storage into RAM. The CPU gathers instructions from RAM or cache. Then data is processed and temporarily stored in registers. Next, results are written back to RAM or saved to storage. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and watch episode 6 on how computer storage works next.